guys, so welcome back to our channel.
Oh yeah, this one.
We still have a channel, right?
This is right.
Okay, so today we're going on a bit of an adventure. Sila Plagam.
Salt rocks.
Yeah, Salt Rock,
Yes.
something. Ballito though, Dolphin Coast, somewhere there. We at a Litchi festival.
Yeah.
You know when our channel starts, it says food,
something,
convos,
and
gone.
gone.
Yeah, we hardly
Actually says
hardly
God
do.
first.
Yeah,
Anyway.
we hardly do food.
Yeah.
So we figured
let's do food.
Let's look just watch us eat. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. We are waiting for a tractor.
Yeah.
We'll start on the tractor, it's big a farm, and then after that we are gonna go pick up some lychees,
I'm
eat them, and hopefully bag them.
disturbed by how short I am.
Yeah,
compared to
you are very
How
short.
am I this short?
And I always turn shares and kubos. But anyway, let us go be on our way.
Corner, you'll find the caravan. That's where you'll pay and get your bucket. Once you've got your bucket, some old man around here, I don't see him, will show you where you're allowed to pick today. 3 golden rules while you are in the orchard. Please do not climb the trees, do not litter, and do not touch the fence. Further, easiest way to pick a lychee: twist it, flick it, and if you want to take the whole bunch, arm's length, you can break off a branch. It's like pruning the tree, so you're doing 50% of my job for me. Otherwise, have a good time, eat as much as you like, and see you later.
Strategy is to fill these buckets with all my 150. Bring it. Actually, it was 300 since there's 2 of us. So the strategy is that these must be brimming. If you know, I've got pockets as well. I've got. But yeah, guys, this is exciting. I've never done this before. I don't know how. The guy explained how to pick it. It's like chop, chop. He said chop, chop, chop. I was like, cheer, I got it. But guys, it's I can't judge. But yeah. So Lisa.
No matter how fast I run, oh, you're never far behind. And every time my will begins to break, you lift me up, you lift me up.
It's raining quite badly now. Like, yeah, quite more than we expected. But we still determined. Mina, baby, if you come bala, I'm not taking you out after this. I'm not taking you out anyway. So we're eating this here.
Pop.
So as you can see, I think we accomplished what we wanted. I think I'm full now actually.
I want us to go camp by a tree. We will just stand and just eat now because the buckets are full. So 100 rand, you know. So for another, 200. So yeah, now we're gonna go to a tree and just stand and just eat. By the way, 10 rand.
10 rand, sure.
10 rand le lot really.
Oh yeah, okay. That's a fair
Really
price.
what?
That's a fair price.
10 rand. Just contact me, tell your friends and tell your other friends. Chat now.
Never felt a love like this before. Draw me closer to you. Draw me closer to you.
guys, so we are officially done with this. Yeah, Mbali give up.
You give up, babe.
Gave up. Like I could have went on and just ate for days, but yeah, no, Mbali gave up. But anyway.
Hey guys, yo, bekumnandi. Nje, I've conquered a lot in life. I just never thought I'd conquered Litchis. I feel wiser and yeah, I'm just filled with this wealth of knowledge about Litchis now. Sure, guys.